I think she's gonna run off that jerry can. Only in Wisconsin can you have a bright sunny day and it's snowing at the same time. Nothing new around here. Anyway, what we're trying to do, kind of bored today. Don't feel like working on anything else. Last year, October, November, whenever I bought this thing, tried to get the fire up. Found it was seized, the engine was seized. So today, I'm gonna push it back in the shop and just see if we can have better luck. I have a new starter and a new starter solenoid if need be. See if we have better luck getting this thing started. It's cold, but sunny at the same time, and snowing. It is what it is. She's in the garage. Good enough. Let's start out. Forgot about this amazing hood latch. Pretty sure this is it. That was it. When in doubt, just cut it. Look what's left of it there. That'll work. This was not the original hood to this car because with it being a derby car, the guy cut a hole in it for, you know, it's what you're supposed to do. And, you know, he's got a fire and whatever, you gotta get it in there and get it out. Well, by doing that, it got water where it shouldn't have, and that's what seized the engine. I had that hood laying around, so that's why that one's on there for now. But I figure out exactly what we're doing. I just want this thing to run. I want to see if it runs. Hopefully the carb is still free. Oh, it's not very free. Oh, man. Well, that's free, but the choke isn't. Which I don't give a shit about. It's just as long as I can probably just make sure it stays held open. Just dump some gas down the carb. We could see this time. Maybe we'll get lucky and see if it fires off. In case of emergencies, we have what we possibly need. Brand spanking new, never used. Right there. Yeah. That'll work. Negative. It was nothing. Well, it's making noises. Being an 85 model and newer, it's got the newer sounding key chime. So that's always a bonus. Gotta have that. Okay, well, hooked up. I wonder if it will spin over. Probably off. Well, it spins over this time. That's good. Doesn't sound like it has even compression though. Eek. Don't sound too happy, but that doesn't really matter. If we can get this thing to fire, move, it might not move because apparently it has a bad transmission. But if we can get this thing to at least fire up, maybe we can still have fun with the current engine that's in here. I do have another transmission that I could probably put in here. That transmission's in a car that was running and moving about 6 years ago. So 6 years ago means 6 times better. It should work just fine. But let's see if this engine can fire up for us. It's got some dirt in it. That won't hurt. That might help with combustion. Clean it out a little bit. Nothing but the best. Suppose I should crack the door a little bit in case it does actually fire. Here goes nothing. That is not very good looking gas. Let's see if it pops on that. Turn this guy's light switch on. She's a runner. She's a runner! Put a little more gas in there. God, let's put all of it in there. Fuck yeah. Hold on. I need 2 hands. It don't sound too bad. Freaking carburetor. Ooh, it's really smoky. That carburetor I got from the junkyard Eagle that was, yeah, it was in the junkyard. I'm trying to remember what the hell car. Yeah, it was the junkyard Eagle. The one that was brought in while I happened to be at that junkyard. That carb was there. And this thing runs with that carb on it right now. We need to open it up a little bit. It's going to be a little smoky. I'm going to take this line that is already on the fuel pump. Hopefully the fuel pump is good. And I'm going to stick this end into a jerry can I have. Look at that jerry can. It's got freaking ventilation in it. I believe this was Smiley's gas tank. In one of his, I think it was in the olds, his old race car he had. This was his gas tank, so it should work as a gas tank again, right? Stick that guy in there somehow. It'll work, right? That just does not sound happy. put the charger on the battery, and it might help it spin over a little faster. Come on, baby. I think she's gonna run off that jerry can. Maybe. Let me put a little bit of help in it. I'm not sure if it's flooded or not. Might be. Come on, baby. I don't think any gas is coming up. Might be this carb might be might not be good. We are leaking fuel. Holy shit. Holy moly. Oh, Nelly. We are leaking a fuel. Lots of the fuel. My fuel pump is no good. She is no good. No good. Dang. Just when we got the thing running, too. Yowza. She no good. Might have another fuel pump. Hold on. Maybe. Alright, I have another fuel pump. I believe this one's good. It's from the 83 Concorde. I changed it just because. This one should be good, so let's try it. Alright, the new used fuel pump is on. Let's give it another shot. Got gas here. Light switch on. Maybe I'm flooded. Probably flooded. I'm gonna tighten these battery posts down because we are smoking a little bit, so I'll be right back. I think we're flooded. I had some gas spray in here. Maybe it's not enough gas. Maybe I'm not flooded. Yeah, it needs more gas. Okay. More gas. Man, this thing loves gas. Okay, so it wasn't flooded after all. It just wants more gas. That's enough. That battery is not loving life right now. Weasel our way inside this thing. Now, he told me that the transmission was no good, so let's see if it is or not. I moved the shifter. I think it's still in neutral. We'll find out. Well, let's see if we put it in reverse. We'll see what happens. Nothing. Well, it went in something. It's moving forward. Kinda. Maybe I don't have a reverse. Yeah, transmission's definitely not happy. I am moving a little bit. Not going very far though. I have drive, but I don't have reverse. We know she's a runner. She's a smelly one, she's a stinky one, and she's a smoky one. But she's a runner. Thanks for tuning in, guys.